Hi, young scientists! Are you ready to learn about the superpower of plants? Let's go! Plants love the sun. It gives them energy, just like how we get energy from food. Aww. Leaves are like tiny kitchens in plants. They use sunlight to cook up something special. Look at them go! Meet chlorophyll, the plant's chef. It helps turn sunlight into plant food and can be found in leaves. Every plant has roots. They're kind of like plant straws. They sip water from the soil and send it up to the leaves. Is that slurping I hear? Leaves also breathe in air just like we do. They inhale or breathe in carbon dioxide, and they exhale oxygen. When leaves mix sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, something amazing happens. Look at them mix. They make something called glucose. Oh, that's their own food. Isn't that amazing? All that in a little leaf. Field trip time! Now that we're outside, let's breathe in that fresh oxygen and say thank you, plants! We love you. Thanks for learning with us. Don't forget to subscribe.